In this example, we are given random variables u, v, w, and x with the respective expected values and variances all given in a table. We're told that a is positive. The expected value of a, w plus b, x is 15.1. And then this relationship exists from the variable variance equals 2. So I'm going to break this apart into a times the expected value of w plus b times the expected value of x equals 15.1. And the second equation, I'm going to take the variance when you multiply by a constant, the square of that value is how you can multiply by the variance of u. Similarly, let's take this b out. Since it's affecting the variance, not the standard deviation, we square it. And then you have the variance of v. And this gives us 2. All right? We can now look for some substitutions. Expected value of w is 12.9. So 12.9a. Next, we look up the expected value of x, and we get 7.81. So that gives us 7.81b and equals 15.1. We now look up the variance of u, and the variance of u is 1.2. So we have 1.2 squared times the variance. No, I'm sorry, that's not true. A squared, right? Because a is the constant that we're multiplying all values in set u by. So you end up with a squared times 1.2, which is the variance of u, plus, and we look at the variance of v, which is 0.4, and that's times b squared. This equation is given to us to equal 2. So you have set up two equations with two unknowns. And if you solve simultaneously, you can use you can use your whatever, I would probably say substitution or whatever your favorite strategy is. Then you will come to two values of a, but from the question you want the positive one. So a is going to end up being 1.29 and b ends up being 0.191. Okay? So use your favorite strategy from grade 8 and 9 for solving simultaneous equations, but the hard work came from recognizing the effect of that constant multiplier of a and b on the expected value and the variance, setting up your simultaneous equations, using your table to substitute in the values, and then, let me know if you need steps here, but basically simultaneous equations gives you a is 1.29 and b is negative 0.191. Hope this helps.